much information in a succinct way as possible to get you the convenience that you need while you're traveling, both before you get to the airport, while you're at the airport, and when you get to your destination. Next slide, please. So we created a bunch of different options. One of the major ones is basically requesting airport information. So using the airport API, we can grab a bunch of things about like what restaurants there are, what shopping there are. Also ATM, we wanted to make use of the MasterCard API because they give information about what ATMs are there at the airport and where they're located. Next slide, please. Also, one of the most important things is flight status. You want to know when your flight is about to depart or arrive, so there's both departure and arrival information, as well as we want to integrate weather into that. So based on where you're going and where you're coming from, we want that weather information available to you so that you can figure out is there a storm, but you take a jacket with me or buy a jacket at the airport because it's raining or it's really cold. And we also wanted to provide real-time updates to anything that if your flight is delayed or whatever. FlightAware, we're planning on maybe using that API to provide you with real-time updates to your flight status and then notify you that, hey, well, your gate has changed or your flight is delayed. Next slide, please. We also want to provide baggage claim information, which I believe is right now available even on the airport website, but also through the FlightAware API. We want to tell you where to pick up your bag when you get to your destination. So it's all going to be on your wrist. You can easily tell where you need to go. Next slide, please. We also wanted to possibly make use of the Concur API, which provides you your itinerary information. So that can easily tie in with the app. So when you actually load up that information, all that information will be displayed for you. What's your flight, what's your hotel, what's your rental car. All that information can be easily available to you and displayed to you so that you know exactly what you need to do, where you need to go. Next slide, please. Also, another cool thing that we wanted to try and integrate was ordering food or drinks while you're at the airport. Say you got to rush to your gate, but you don't have time to actually sit down and actually eat at the restaurant. So the idea here would be to order your food ahead of time through this app, and when you get there, just pick it up. It automatically send the transaction to MasterCard, so they don't authorize the transaction, so that when you pick it up, all you have to do is just grab the food and go. The merchant would then get that money, and that's it. Next, please. Also, booking a taxi. So with Uber, we maybe partner with Uber and have them basically get you a taxi at the airport. I know San Francisco doesn't allow Uber, but there is. What do you do? Okay, great. So now that's supported. So now you can get your Uber straight from your watch. You can basically send them a request. They'll pick you up when you get out of the gate. Or if you're just parking at the airport, you want to know where to park. Maybe it's the voice park API, which basically tell you where's a great spot to park. Or if you're picking up somebody, say there's no parking spot, maybe where's the nearest spot that I can park while I wait for my friend. Next.
And I'm afraid that's your time.
Booking a hotel spot.